buy, sell, rent properties at propnation.co.in. In today's video, you are going to watch Ace Parkway, a residential project at Sector 150 Noida. It's an under construction property, so we have quoted the RERA number. At the entrance of the tower, you get a lobby like this, wherein two lifts are at this side, which goes to the upper section of the tower, and there is one more lift which is on this side, and it goes to the basement only. And now we are at the unit. It's a 3 BHK with 3 toilets and dressing area. Currently you are watching the drawing dining section of the unit. It's quite a decent space, almost like a square, and this is the main entrance of the unit. It comes with a attached balcony which is 5 feet wide, and the main USP of this project is its location. We will come to that later. Now let's have a look at the common washroom first. This is the kitchen of this unit. It's a dual counter kitchen, comes with a refrigerator space inside the kitchen, and you are getting provision for the chimney and air conditioners in rooms. It's the attached balcony. And have a detailed look at the kitchen. This is the refrigerator space, utensil washing area, and it's the first bedroom. Comes with a wardrobe space, the common washroom, and this attached balcony, which is not big in the size but gives you glimpses of the outside world. Now we are moving towards the master bedroom of this unit. The master bedroom is quite big in size. Comes with a dressing and washroom and a attached balcony. This balcony is also quite spacious. This is the dressing area. It will be in L shape. This project is being constructed using My1 technology. This is the master washroom. And now let's move to the third bedroom. With this bedroom you don't get a balcony, but you are getting a glass area which is quite big in size, and at the screen you have the attached washroom of this room. This is the wardrobe space on the left side, and the glass area on the right, which is covered with this green shield. The outer world looks like this from here. And we will show you a different unit of the same size in a different tower, from where you will get views like this. It's quite a huge green space outside. It's Shaheed Bhagat Singh Park at Sector 150 Noida. and this project is adjacent to this park. This is the water body under construction, and this is how the world looks from here. This is the park from a different angle. And now have a closer look at the park itself and the parkway also. This is the unit plan of this flat which you saw, and it's this site plan of this project. The location is well connected via metro and it's very close to Delhi Noida Expressway. These are the specification of this project, and as it is under construction, they are having an attractive payment plan of 1585, wherein you will have to pay only 15% and rest 85% will be paid at the time of possession. Hope you had a good time watching this video. If you are a first timer here, consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.